All right, so I just got done unloading about 2 pallets worth of fireworks. This year, like I've done in the past few years, I ordered everything from Superior Fireworks. They've been taking good care of me so far, getting everything I need, and I've learned that you order a little early to get everything. So I'm going to run through all these different fireworks that I have and give you my 2017 fireworks showcase, my stash. Everything in here, of course, is 1.4G consumer, if anybody's curious about that as well. We're going to start here. Obviously, you see the Excalibur. I'll cover the Excalibur at the end of the video. I didn't unload exactly everything off because I have 3 cases of those Excalibur, and they're just really heavy to move, and there's no point in unpacking them at this point. So I'm going to really, that's why I only pulled out one box. So you can see we start here. We got Hardcore and Cosmic Tails. So Cosmic Tails is a new item from SFX. What I really like about the Cosmic Tails is the fact that you get 4 different effects in there, and it's 5 shots each. So in figuring out shows and planning stuff, it makes it really nice to finally get a product that is a single effect and not something that's multiple effects and random stuff. And as you're going through everything, you can see everything is in case quantities. I've got 2 cases of the SFX and the Hardcore over here. Next, we've got Political Chaos and Finish Strong. We've got 2 cases of Political Chaos, and down here I went ahead and got 1 case of Finish Strong. Again, I really clean house on the SFX products. They're new to the lineup this year. I was really impressed with the videos that I saw for them, and I hope that the shows do just as good as do as much justice as the videos did, honestly. The other thing, and moving on to Vendetta, by the way, the other thing I like about the SFX product is that you get this nice little infographic here that you don't get with the other brands. So if you're listening Cutting Edge, or if you're listening Brothers, having something like this where, 1, I can go to that QR code and see a video, and 2, giving me shot durations and loudness and directions. These things are things that help me out, especially the timing. Moving on, we've got Jawbreaker. We've got some Absolute Evil and Electricity. Next up, we've got Nervous Waters, Robot Wars, and Keep Digging. A really clean house in the 200-gram cake category. I'm really a fan of the poor man's repeater, no pun intended, but it gives you a lot of bang for your buck. A lot of these cakes that you're looking at ran anywhere in the range of $50 to $80, and you're getting anywhere from 8 to 16 cakes in each case. So that really adds up, and putting those kinds of things together can make a really good show. Next up, we've got Wild West, Hypnotic, and Killer Alligator. And continuing with talking about the cakes, a lot of these cakes I've used. There's also a lot of new ones this year. So as you're looking through, I'm gonna actually try and do my best to film my show, and I will put up the show order so you can kind of see what each one looks like. I'm not going to do individual demonstrations. I bought these all and planned everything out for their own detonations and their own different shows. So you'll have to see them through the show. Next up, we've got the Hammer of Thunder, another new product from SFX. I'm going to give you a little glimpse of it, and I'm actually going to do an individual unboxing video of the product. But this year, I went ahead and picked up 4 of these cases of Hammer of Thunder. The videos look good again, and I hope they perform as well as they looked. Coming up next, we've got the Power Zone Drain Damage, which I mispronounced for ages until I finally figured it out. And then rounding off, we've got Patriotic Fanfare. Of course, another SFX product, like I said. I did clean house with those guys on that product line. After that, we've got the Super Magnum. I'm super excited that the ball shells are back this year. I made the mistake of getting their 1-inch canister shells, and obviously you cannot use those in a 1.75 mortar tube unless you want to start a really nice fire. Finishing off over here, we've got High Def. I added this one at the last minute. Really good looking video, and I hope it performs just as good as it looks. Next up, we've got the Armory, Nightlife, Symphony of Shots, and Gunsmoke over here. So all of these cases again. Symphony of Shots is actually sitting in the 200-gram cake category, but when you look at its size sitting next to a 500-gram cake like Gunsmoke, really makes you wonder, if this is really a 350-gram cake, or, something sitting right under 400, or honestly a mislabeled 500-gram cake. Coming up next, we've got Matrix Pyro and the Comet Storm. Honestly, I'm really looking forward to setting off some of the Matrix Pyro in my shows. Judging by the size of just that cake, again, that's another one that was sitting in the 200 gram category. I expected it to be smaller in size, and it's actually a pretty large cake there, so I hope it doesn't disappoint. Coming up over here, my first time to actually get some finale cakes. We've got Storm Chaser over here. I've got 3 cases of those. And then also a new one for me is Mafia over here. I was really impressed with the video, and I said, why not? Let's get it. Finishing off on the cake side, we've got Don't Wake Up the Bear and Peacock. Both of these kind of shoot pretty much in the same way where they fan out, and I'm really looking forward to putting those in my show. Now, I did a group buy with some people this year, and I've actually done the group buy with these guys for the last few years, just because starting off small at under 1,000, and even though I've broken the 1,000 barrier, we just group buy together so we can get the discount, essentially. I'm not going to open up these boxes. These are mainly cases of assortments. I'm not the biggest fan of assortments. I like more granular control over the show, or as much granular control as I can have. And, you know, these assortments, you can't really get videos of all the different products. Some of the other items they've got over here, as you can see, on the bottom half, we've got one of the cases of Excalibur and another one over here. But they got the Spirit of America assortment. I'm not going to unbox it. If you want to see something of it unboxed, Big T Pyro, check out his YouTube channel. He has a great video of the Spirit of America unboxed. Going up next, we've got Skybolt, which are some bottle rockets. Give Me Liberty, and a case of 1,000-shot firecrackers. Then over here, we've got some Mighty Crackers. They also got the Amazing Fountain, the Black Eye Fat Lip, Out Cold assortment, 300-shot Saturn batteries. You know, of course, none of these are going to be incorporated in my show. And like I mentioned earlier, as you can see, I've got box here, and a box right over here. 3 cases of Excalibur. When it comes time, I'll get those unloaded and everything. But for now, they're just going to sit here in the garage and hang out. So guys, that's my stash video for this year. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, seeing all the videos that everybody else has posted up on YouTube really inspired me to kind of get out there and do a little stash video of my own. You know, we all have our own things that we like to do with pyrotechnics, and this is what I do. Hopefully there'll be some more videos to come. I have a custom built controller that we set all these off with, and I've done another couple shots on some other products that I've purchased along with this, like fuse tubing and other things like that. Peace.